Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve you don't have permission to access on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window of Snapchat and you click here. As you see in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait 3 seconds to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.